Welcome to Elimu TV. This is the station where you watch and learn. And today I'll be taking you through Mathematics Form 2, and our topic today is trigonometric ratio. Our subtopic is sine and cosine of complementary angles. This is lesson 35 and I'm your tutor, Madam Sandra Awino. Stay tuned. By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to, number one, identify complementary angles. Number two, calculate the sine and cosine of complementary angles. In our introduction, we'll be explaining what complementary angles are. So the sine of an angle is equal to the cosine of its complementary angle, and the cosine of an angle is equal to the sine of its complementary angle. So two angles are said to be complementary if and only if they add up to 90 degrees. So two angles are complementary if they add up to 90 degrees. For example, find sine 80 degrees and cos 10 degrees. Explain the result. So the solution, sine 80 degrees from our table or from your calculator, in your calculator just put sine and then put 80 degrees, you will get 0.985, and cos 10 degrees is equals to what? 0.985. You can see because 80 and 10 are complementary. 80 plus 10 you get 90. So they are complementary. So sine 80 and cos 10 are equal because they are complementary. In example 2, if cos 30 is a half, find the angle that brings a half. If sine 30 is a half, find the angle that will bring a half. So the sine and cosine of complementary angles are equal, you remember, and you said that complementary angles add up to 90. So to get the next angle, you do 90 degrees minus 30 degrees, you get 60 degrees. So 60 is the complementary angle to 30 degrees. Are you together? So therefore, cos 60 is equals to a half. You can do it in your calculator to confirm. Cos 60, what do you get? You get a half. Now you've seen complementary angle have the same sine and cosine. We've come to the end of our lesson. And I have an assignment for you guys. If A and B are complementary angles, then A is a half B, find sine A. If A is a half B, find sine A, and B, find cos A. In reference, you can study KLB Secondary Mathematics Student Book 2. You can study KLB Secondary Mathematics Student Book 2, that is the 5th edition. For this and more, you can contact us through our SMS number is 0723 144 259. On YouTube, you can get us through Elimu TV, on Facebook, Elimu TV, and on Twitter at Elimu TV _Kenya.